How's it going, everybody? My name is Joe, and I'm going to be reacting to She-Hulk Season 1, Episode 6. Thanks for stopping by. Once again, my name is Joe from Joe Reacts TV. If this is your first time, please stick around. I react to a wide range of shows such as The House of Dragon, The Rings of Power, Andor, Better Call Saul, Rick and Morty, and many, many more. If any of those shows intrigue you, please stick around and subscribe. As for last episode, Titania has trademarked the name She-Hulk for a new line of beauty products, which angers Walters. Holloway warns Walters that she needs to deal with the situation quickly and assigns Mallory Book as her attorney for the case. Ramos and Pug come up with a plan to acquire a superhero outfit for Walters from Luke Jacobson, a highly exclusive tailor who provides clandestine services for heroes, while Book and Walters countersue Titania, claiming that she is illegally exploiting She-Hulk's fame for profit. Walters is annoyed to discover that Todd, one of her unsuccessful dates, is also a client at her firm, but this helps her realize that she can use her dating app history to establish a past record of identifying as She-Hulk before Titania tried to gain the trademark. Using her past dates' testimonies, Walters wins the case and establishes a tentative friendship with Book. Lastly, Walters later acquires her new customized outfits from Jacobson. So that's the quick summary regarding last episode. So without further ado, let's get into the reaction. Is it her birthday? Oh, bridesmaid. Oh, that mess. Horrible.
Oh, goody. No, Jen, you don't need to bring a Luke Jacobson business suit to a wedding. So you're gonna look hot. As Shulky? Yes. That is
Shulky.
Yes.
I think she just felt obligated to ask me. And I felt obligated to say yes because...
Or because you're She-Hulk.
Yes, it's a self-contained wedding episode. And if you think this is happening at an inconvenient time in the season, you're right, because that's how weddings always are.
That's true. She's going as She-Hulk. Interesting. The twitching.
Jen, everything about you is just working.
Thank you, Heather.
You really ass looks crazy right now. Incredible.
Everybody has an ass.
Hi, Jen.
Hey, Lulu, oh my God.
Taking all the attention away from me with you.
Oh my god. Always that one girl, right?
No one's going to be looking at me. All eyes are going to be on you. It's your big day. Just show up as regular Jen at your wedding.
The CG looks a lot better now.
Obviously, this is the one time I didn't want to show up as just Jen.
Just Jen.
Mr. Hollis.
Mr. Immortal.
I'm sorry.
Mr. Immortal.
Didn't you say your name was Craig Hollis?
It is, but I go by Mr. Immortal. In fact, it could be said that no one has tried more than me. Probably literally.
Jeez.
And you wear weird pajamas? Can you blame me for walking out into traffic during rush hour and putting an end to the whole issue right then and there?
You kill yourself to get out of the relationship.
Whoa. I don't kill myself. I'm immortal, so I can't die.
I'm sorry. And
Lucky man.
This woman, you said that.
Yeah, I mean, if you have the opportunity, I think this is the most considerate way to end a marriage.
Consider
Wow.
that's not the
Don't know how to have any sort of confrontation whatsoever.
Oh, I thought
Agreed.
that lawyers were supposed to not be judgmental.
Any of the ends are switching identity.
What? Oh my goodness. Yep, it's just fine. Mr. Immortal. Fits him perfectly.
No, I didn't mean any. I didn't want that. Like, are you dating a guy, a boy? Is there a boy in your life? Oh no, don't feel bad.
Oh, I don't feel bad.
This girl.
That's right. Team Edward or Jacob.
Oh my, let it rest. No,
Team Jacob.
both those actors.
What the hell?
I dated both those actors.
Ew.
Why is she here?
I love
The
that
heck?
you never make any effort at all.
What are you doing here? This is my friend's very real wedding. You can't pull your crap here.
I happen to be dating a friend of the groom. He invited me.
Titania.
Hey, girl. Hey.
You made it.
That's all, okay?
That's so sweet.
See? Not everything is about you, Jennifer.
Damn.
Strike up a very normal conversation with a beautiful woman stuffing her face with candied nuts. I'm very good at sticking to my plan.
Half the event staff is like quitting because of how I'm treating them. Do you think you could help me
I
like
wonder
clean
why.
some stuff up around here, straighten up, take up some of these empties, like tidy up?
$75,000 of credit card debt, and Paul conveniently disappears the day the bill came.
Well, I never saw a dime.
Site Intelligentsia.
The one for hateful man babies?
Yep, that's the one. Anyway, you saw this man walk into a busy intersection.
Interesting.
I will never understand women if I live to be, and I will.
You'll understand this one. I'll look at you the best possible.
I make her do stuff like this all the time.
I make her do stuff like this all the time.
So the groomsmen were playing Mario Kart, and video games are sports now. They're on ESPN and everything.
Yeah, esports.
Yeah. So you're on
That's so messed up. Oh, look at the doggo.
to walk down the aisle with.
I still have all those Apple shares I bought in 1981, plus all the gold left to me by my first
Dang,
wife,
in
Baroness
1981.
Cromwell.
Why should she get the same
Good
amount as
point.
me? Because I had a kid with this fool. Why should we be punished for her mistake? My son is not a mistake.
It's your boy, DJ Incredible.
He would. Shehulk's cousin, right?
Hit me with a heavy pour, buddy.
That'll be an extra $5.
Well,
Of course.
Is that the absolute best you can do on eye contact?
And so, Amy, that's 20 seconds of eye contact.
yep.
That seems interminable.
Miss Ramos, unconventional and excellent.
Nice work, Nikki.
Right? Getting my money.
Call me back, you ding dong.
He's on his way to Sakar. Not gonna answer you for a while.
Joshua said. That's a good name.
Dude, she's faded.
Really?
Yeah.
They gave you a good face, too.
Oh.
Yeah, let it out, babe. Let it all out.
Oh, Jesus. She's still in human form.
I literally said this isn't over. So now I am going to publicly
Foreshadowing.
destroy you. Oh, are you not gonna turn?
You know what? I can take you like this.
No, you cannot.
Oh no, I forgot how to do it.
Pathetic.
Oh, give me a second.
We got a wedding fight!
They would do it in the middle of everybody. Oh, Jesus. Oh, damn. You're gonna get publicly humiliated. This is what you wanted, right? Oh. She like break her nose or what? Oh, even worse. No.
Oh, you think this is funny? 11 followers on Instagram?
Karen.
And I'm taking this. This wedding sucks.
Damn, her teeth got, her veneers got jacked up.
She-Hulk is at my wedding.
She's faded too.
I love you so much.
I believe that guy got 8 different people to marry him.
You must not be
Intelligentsia? Intelligentsia?
Been married
Intelligentsia?
accepted. Hashtag friends with bros.
Cancel She-Hulk. Damn, look at this private Reddit page here.
Is this?
How do we
How
swat
is
She?
this This is dark.
How do we swat She-Hulk? Wow.
Some of these are death threats.
Nikki, they're just trolls.
Any attention at all gives them what
Jeez.
they want. I mean, you know, obviously I didn't do that. It's probably not even a thing. So just give me a call when you get this, and I love you so much.
Hulking? Who is this? Okay, so these are the guys that try to take her blood samples. Alright, I guess they're gonna attempt next episode with a stronger syringe. That's a thick boy, too. Alrighty, so that was episode 6 of She-Hulk. So the episode starts with Jen getting an invitation for a wedding for an old friend. She has been accepted as a bridesmaid. So this episode focuses on 2 plot lines. 1, following Jen at the wedding, and 2, following Nikki working with Mallory. To start with Jen, Jen meets with the bridesmaids at the wedding hall. She initially introduces herself in She-Hulk form, but is told by her old friend that is getting married to not outshine her by being She-Hulk at the wedding. She agrees and is later confronted by Titania. Titania is dating one of the groomsmen at the wedding, so it was a bit surprising to see her, but Jen thinks Titania is there to torment her. So Jen storms off, and Jen is approached by Josh, one of the groomsmen. They have a fun little interaction before the bride comes over and bosses both of them to help out with cleaning and setup. Later at the actual wedding, she basically drowns herself in alcohol, starts dancing, and as she goes outside, is approached by Titania. Titania sucker punches her, throws her to the ground, and wants her to turn to her Hulk self, so it'll be a fair fight. Jen is reluctant at first, but is eventually able to turn and initiate the fight with Titania. Titania and She-Hulk are fighting in a circle in the middle of everybody at the wedding. Jen causes Titania to hit her mouth on the floor, and her veneer just exploded. She runs off, embarrassed, and takes a cake with her. The bride comes in, and the assumption was that she was going to be really mad, but she wasn't. She just started celebrating and saying, hey, She-Hulk's at my wedding, and they move along like nothing happened. As for the other storyline with Nikki and Mallory, there was a powered person named Mr. Immortal. He could do anything to try to kill himself, but is never successful. He's in the middle of a divorce case that he's trying to get help from Mallory and Nikki. They were reluctant initially with the way that he was talking and treating the women. Instead of sitting there and listening to them, Mr. Immortal just jumps out the window and lands on the security car and is able to get up all fine. Later, they're in a meeting with all the other previous wives and husband who have all spent money on him throughout the years, and he would always eventually get tired of them and try to kill himself to get out of the marriage. Nikki is able to help finalize the agreement between Mr. Immortal and all the wives. They were able to divvy up all the money. While Mallory and Nikki were celebrating, they saw a headline regarding She-Hulk. They opened it up but couldn't watch the video unless they had an account on the website. So they created one, and as a reference, the website was called Intelligentsia. And I'm not too sure exactly what Intelligentsia is. From my understanding, I know they're an evil group that's related to science. I don't know who's involved or what, but I know it's something in that realm. If I'm wrong, please leave it in the comment section below. But they sign in, and then they see basically a subreddit dedicated to hating and sending death threats to She-Hulk, apparently. Nikki was initially told by Mallory not to tell She-Hulk, but Nikki couldn't help herself. So she left a voicemail on Jen's phone regarding the information. The last scene was shown to be in a lab where scientists were making another syringe to try to gather Jen's blood again. So that's basically all the main points regarding the episode. I'm glad that they're finally planting even more hints on who the big bad is. My guess is it's going to be whoever is leading the Intelligentsia group. So other than that, please leave any comments or theories in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the reaction, please like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.